Ooh, somebody's shooting at us.
You must not be too far from that shooting range.
That's right, that is a shooting range. This is a shortcut to it then. And the way we have to get to that shooting range is go all the way in to Blacksburg, go across 29, and then turn back once we cross the river. That's over there next to Wolf Den.
Yeah, not too far.
You all right there, Coach East?
Yeah, it's gonna stretch a little bit.
It's nice back up in here. This is the first time we've been back up Peoples Creek. We've been to the mouth of it fishing. And that gunshots is the firing range. Cherokee County firing range. And we're going to hold up here at the mouth and try doing a little fishing, and then we're going down to the dam. But it's pretty in here. And the water's clear to mix with the old muddy water of the Broad. All right. Film at 11. Peoples Creek.